If you're under 18, you have to cover your eyes right now. Do not dunk the dev. He is fragile and soft. Look at all that collateral damage. Speak to me, ugly child. What is the button to speak to ugly children? I will never stop murdering children. What? You're lying right now. I don't believe you, liar. That can't be true. You're a liar. That isn't even remotely possible. Let's see if this liar is lying. Dirty liar. It's a cinematic tool. Don't. I hate you. Drop me a funky ass beat. Those are all quotes. Those are things that I said out loud. I said those words. I said those words out loud. In various circumstances. On January 19th, 2016.